Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me, Krishna, again in this channel. Okay, so I'm back in Sanur and I will do a motor vlog again and let's see the situations here in Sanur. Anyway, we just got really big rain since last night and also this morning. So I would like to see the situations here in Sanur since I'm passing by. And here is Jalan Mertasari, and later I will drive you to Jalan Danau Poso and maybe to Jalan Danau Tamblingan, and let's see the situation. Here on the right side, this is the Mercure Hotel. I think it's quite famous hotel, yeah, and I've been to this hotel before. And last time I came there, they had some renovation. I don't know now, maybe they have finished that. Maybe next time I will walk by the beach so that we can see the hotel situation. Anyway, if you like to go to the beach, you can go to the left here and you will go to the beach. But I don't know now, it's they closed it. I think the parking is full, yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Here on the left side, this restaurant closed, unfortunately. But next here is the Gardenia restaurant. They are open and they have their what you call that, rooms, kind of like a homestay. I've been to that Gardenia as well, and so yeah, I mean, it's nice. Here some shops open, and this time is around 5:30, almost 6 o'clock actually. Nothing much is happening, maybe because of the weather, or people still at the beach, not really sure as well. And there is the beach breeze. There are some people there, and also here Saigon or something. It's a nice place, and baby monkeys. Anyway, this is Jalan Sudamala, and here is the Akana Hotel. Last time I came here, they have very nice hotel. The room is good, the pool, but they don't have any view, yeah, because of the location, yeah. But if you stay there, to go to the beach is not really far, maybe like 5 minutes walk or 10 minutes walk, you will arrive at the beach. And here on that side, there are some businesses open. Here, the Taksu Hotel, it's another nice hotel as well. So, have you been staying here before? Look at that, they have nice carving at the gate. And here in the front is, we are entering Jalan Danau Poso. Anyway, if you love Indonesian food, yeah, the front there, they have Padang food and also there, Warung Jawa. Nice food. Been to that place as well. Okay, so let's continue. We are here now at Jalan Danau Poso. Maybe for those of you that been many times to Sanur, you should know this street. Here on the left side, there are some bars open, and nice to see some tourists there, even though still early, yeah, to drink, yeah. Maybe if we come at night, it will be more people there. Anyway, I will come at night to see the situations, maybe in the next few days. And here is the Sanur Beer Garden. Not really busy, but they are open, of course. And there are a lot of cars here parking in front of the Rumah Sanur. But Rumah Sanur, wow, they're putting new doors, I think. Yeah, I don't know what it will be, but there are some renovations, I think. Maybe it will be a new business, but let's see in the future. Okay, so let's continue. Let's keep driving. Look at this, guys. Nice to see. These bars are busy. And in the front of the bar, as you can see, there are some street food there. So if you like to try street food, you can come. Like bakso or satay, I saw there. And the street situation, as you can see, is not really busy, just normal, yeah. Few cars, scooters passing by. here on right side, this is Warung Odah Oning. It's a nice place, but still quiet by this time. And here is the roundabout in Sanur. So let's go to the left and let's drive here at Jalan Danau Tamblingan, which is, it's considered the main street, I think, in Sanur. So here most of the businesses are open. And look at this, guys, on the left side, even the rainy day, this gelato, it's very busy. Yeah? Anyway, regarding the weather in Bali, we are entering our dry season actually, which is March. But still we have some rain, even though not every day, yeah, like a while ago, yeah. But since few days, we got like rain on and off since 2 days ago, I think. Yesterday night it was like big rain, and by this time it's okay. Okay, so let's continue. Here there are some cafes open and there are some tourists also, and this is the nice coffee shop, I think. And also last time someone asked me about silver shop, they have it there. And here if you go to the right, it will be Duyung Beach. Same beach is quite busy. Maybe later I will walk at the beach, but let's see the weather. If it's raining, maybe I will not go. Here right side, this is the Grand Hyatt Bar Regency. It looks very nice from outside, and I think it is very nice hotel. Here on the right side, look at this, guys, there are so many cars parking here, and mostly are taxis, and maybe it's online taxis, and also the local transport. And here is the Andas. It's a nice place as well to stay, facing directly to the beach. Here on the left side, as you can see, there are a lot of businesses open. Here is Japanese restaurant open, and here they have the Paradise. They have their cafe, their gym. Look at that, it's a nice place, isn't it? And here is the Panida Hotel. The next street here, this is the, what you call that, Maya Sanur. It's famous resort anyway. And in the front of this resort, they have a restaurant open. The next street here is the Ulu Cafe. I think they have the Thai food and also Indonesian food. Here is the dive shop. Anyway, if you look for what you call the equipment for diving, or maybe they have diving package there, you can come and see. Here is the spa, Nesa Kombi, but of course by this time it's still quiet, yeah. And also El Comanda restaurant open, which is good. And look at that, this is new place, I think. It's, I don't know the name, it's Cork or something. There are some people here. And at the front there, that is the Batu Jimar Cafe. And here, I think most of you know this supermarket. It is Arta Sadana Sanur. It was Hardis before. I think it's one of the best supermarket in terms of the prices. Yeah. Anyway, in Sanur you don't need to worry if you want to do some shopping, because there are so many supermarkets, Papito, Popular, and Arta Sadana. And if you like to buy some souvenirs, there are so many of them here. Look at it here on the right side, there are a lot of things, or nice stuff. here on the left side, this is Lola's draft beer or something. Look at that, there are so many people there. And here is the Cafe Smorgas. It's a Sweden cafe, quite busy as well. Anyway, I have a request to see few hotels actually here in Sanur, like the Swiss Bell, Water Gym Bar. I tried to contact them, but unfortunately I was rejected because I need to stay there at the hotel to be able to see. So I say no to them. I cannot make a video without staying at that hotel, so yeah, maybe next time. But as you can see here, this is the restaurant in front of the what you call it, Lagawa Hotel. They are open. There are some people there. And look at this, Casablanca. So I don't know what time they will open, but it's closed at the moment. Let's continue. And here is the Swiss Bell Resort Water Gym Bar. This hotel, I got a request before, so that was the hotel from outside. And here on the right side, maybe some of you want to know this restaurant. It's Wicked Parrot. There are some people enjoying their early dinner, I can say. And here's the Gria Santrian, the Village Restaurant. Next to it is Starbucks, but here in the front or the opposite side, they have some ribs, warung steak. They have Mona Lisa restaurants open and some shops or businesses. And if you like to have Japanese food, they have soya here. And here is the My restaurant. It's quite famous as well, but still quiet by this time. Okay, so let's continue. Let's keep driving a little bit. And here in the front, nothing much is happening actually. All the shops are open and there are some hotels, nice hotel actually here. Even on the right side, on the left side. There's Tanjung, what you call it? Tanjung Resort or something. And here is Gazebo. It's a nice place. And next, there is the Raspati Hotel. And here on the left side, there are some spas open, shops, and etc. But unfortunately, this place still remaining closed. This is the Art Hotel. Anyway, this is just the, what you call that, the pool. Kind of like a beach club, yeah. They're closed. Anyway, they have their hotel in, what you call that, nearby the roundabout in Sanur. And here is the mess. And here is the new shop. I don't know what is this, shop or something, or offices maybe. And this is the 7 Icon project. Look at that. It's a very massive project. I don't know when it will be done and what will happen here. Maybe it will be very busy. But let's see in the future. So, what do you think about Sanur area? Do you think you like to stay around here? I think it's quite okay, yeah? Unless if you like to go for party, Sanur is not the place, yeah? Maybe you can go to Seminyak or Kuta or Canggu, definitely. There are a lot of beach clubs there. And Sanur mostly for relaxing, because if you like to relax by the beach, there are a lot of resorts that facing directly to the beach. Or you can stay around here, which is at the hotels or homestays, and you still can go to the beach or enjoy the area in Sanur. And there in the front, that is the Pasar Sindu Sanur. In the morning, it will be traditional market, but at night, it will be kind of like a food court or night market, yeah, where you can try a lot of Indonesian food. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Sanur. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.